Hello YouTube, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this channel, we are committed to providing affordable and on-point services in the architectural and construction sector. Karibuni sana. Today, we bring to you the Ezzie contemporary 5-bedroom bungalow house plan. An amazing, stunning and spacious modern bungalow for a big family. Let's take a look at the Ezzie contemporary 5-bedroom bungalow. This bungalow is yet another amazing design for those who have a good amount of land and want to build a bungalow. It has a modern contemporary look with large windows that bring in a lot of light and air into the house. I love the spacious back terrace. It basically provides an extension of the kitchen and the living room where you can have an outdoor kitchen and a terrace, great for entertainment and great for hanging out. Every time you have a big house with all bedrooms en suite, a guest house scenario becomes very real. This house plan can easily be converted into a guest house. This being a modern flat roof, it has a usable roof and this gives you a lot of additional space. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. You have an open entrance porch with a nice pergola roof that brings you to the inside of this modern home. The living spaces are located in the middle of this house plan with your bedrooms located on either sides of the living spaces. You have an extra spacious living room seated side by side with an extra spacious dining room. The kitchen is located right ahead after the dining room. These 3 rooms are in an open plan setup, providing ease of movement and a lot of open space. The kitchen is well equipped with enough low-level and high-level cabinetry for all your storage needs. The spacious back terrace can be accessed using double sliding doors from the living room as well as from the kitchen. This spacious terrace is basically an extension of your living room and kitchen to the outdoors. You can easily set up an outdoor kitchen and sitting area, allowing you to entertain and enjoy the outdoors to the max. On the left side of the living area, you have 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom comes with its own private bathroom and is well spaced for 2 occupants. On the right side of the living area, you have 2 other bedrooms. One is an ensuite bedroom that is also well sized for 2 occupants. The other one is your grand and spacious master bedroom. The master bedroom has a sitting area, a walk-in closet, and an extra spacious master bathroom. This is one of those bedrooms where you can have a jacuzzi, a shower cubicle, a toilet, as well as twin sinks. At the back terrace, there is enough space to locate a staircase that will take you to the rooftop. The rooftop is yours for the designing. Do you want an additional hangout area? Do you want a gym up there? A rooftop garden? This is an area that is easy to customize for your needs. The total living area of this house is 312 square meters. Don't forget that you have an area on the rooftop that is similar in size to your house for your use. The overall plinth dimension of this house plan, what we call the footprint, is 27.3 meters by 17.9 meters. With this footprint, this design is perfectly suited to fit on a 1/4 acre piece of land. The more land you have, the better, because it will allow you to create some amazing outdoor spaces. As of March 2022, when we recorded this video, the cost of construction for this house is approximately 12.5 million. We always use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This handbook is provided and is updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. So these are the rates that you should be working with. This is a very good budget to work with, but always remember a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction and mainly the finishes that you use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your continued support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your loved ones who are looking for house plans. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Get in touch with us. We have provided our contact details and our email addresses. We thank you. We look forward to working with you in your construction project.